Every single day, millions of people face the same question. Should I work out at home or should I go to the gym? For some, the answer is simple. Roll out of bed and the workout begins. For others, the ritual starts with lacing up and heading out the door. Adam chose home. No commute, no membership, just him and the floor. Ryan chose the gym, the drive, the energy, the iron. Two different paths, two different environments, but the same goal. Build muscle, burn fat, get stronger, feel better. This is the ultimate comparison, scene by scene, move by move.
Home workout versus gym workout. Let's break it all down.
Every great workout starts with a warm-up. Adam begins with dynamic arm circles. Ryan warms up on the treadmill, an incline walk to raise his heart rate. High knees at home, no machine needed, just space and willpower. Dynamic stretching at the gym, leg swings to open up the hips. Bodyweight squats activate the legs, glutes, and core, the foundation of every workout. Jumping jacks, a timeless classic that works anywhere, including the gym floor. The warm-up at home is about intention. Every movement is deliberate. Both men are warmed up, heart rates elevated, muscles ready. Now the real work begins. The push-up, the king of home chest exercises. No bench needed. The barbell bench press, the gold standard for chest development in any gym. Diamond push-ups shift the focus to the inner chest and triceps, brutal and effective. Incline dumbbell press targets the upper chest, a shape builder in every program. Feet on the couch, decline push-ups mimic the incline bench and hit the upper chest hard. Cable flies isolate the chest with constant tension, something hard to replicate at home. Wide grip push-ups target the outer chest. A slow negative adds time under tension. Weighted dips, a compound powerhouse for chest, shoulders, and triceps. Advanced bodyweight moves, the one-arm push-up demands extreme strength and balance. Different tools, different environments, but the chest doesn't know the difference. It only knows effort. The pull-up, arguably the greatest bodyweight back exercise ever created. The lat pull-down, a gym staple that lets you control the resistance precisely. No barbell? No problem. A kitchen table becomes a rowing station. Barbell rows build thickness across the entire back, a mass-building essential. Chin-ups shift emphasis to the biceps while still hammering the back. Seated cable rows allow constant tension, ideal for building a thick, detailed back. Improvisation is the home workout's superpower. Water jugs become dumbbells. Recovery matters. Stretching the back prevents injury and improves mobility for both. Lunges require zero equipment, just balance, control, and a few feet of space. The barbell back squat, the king of all exercises. Nothing builds legs like this. Jump squats add explosive power, cardio and strength combined in one movement. The leg press allows you to load heavy, pushing the muscles beyond bodyweight limits. Bulgarian split squats are brutally effective. Each leg works independently. The couch becomes the bench. Leg extensions isolate the quadriceps, surgical precision that machines excel at. The wall sit, pure isometric torture. No movement, all burn. Hamstring curls directly target the back of the leg, critical for balance and injury prevention. Single leg glute bridges build stability and strength, an underrated home exercise. Legs don't care where you train them, they care how hard you push. Pike push-ups replicate the overhead press, targeting all three heads of the deltoid. The dumbbell overhead press, a shoulder-building staple with perfectly scalable resistance. Water bottles as weights, lateral raises sculpt the side delts with whatever you have. The barbell curl, direct bicep work with progressive overload that's hard to match at home. Close grip push-ups hit the triceps hard, the biggest muscle in the arm. Skull crushers, an isolation exercise that builds the long head of the tricep. Isometric chin-up holds build peak contraction strength, pure bodyweight intensity. Face pulls protect shoulder health and build rear delts, a gym-only advantage. The wall handstand push-up, the ultimate bodyweight shoulder press, elite-level difficulty. The mirror check, we all do it. The pump tells you the work is done. The plank, foundational core work that builds endurance and stability. Cable wood chops train rotational power, essential for athletes and functional strength. Bicycle crunches hit both the rectus abdominis and the obliques in one fluid motion. Hanging leg raises, gravity plus your full leg weight equals maximum abdominal demand. Mountain climbers fuse core work with cardio, a fat-burning furnace. The ab roller demands total core control, one of the most effective ab tools in the gym. Flutter kicks target the lower abs, the area most people struggle to develop. A strong core is the foundation of everything: posture, power, and performance. Burpees, the exercise everyone loves to hate. Full body cardio in a single move. Sprint intervals on a manual treadmill. No motor, just raw human power. Hit at home, constant movement, minimal rest. The heart rate skyrockets. The rowing machine, full body cardio that builds while it burns. Shadowboxing, cardio, coordination, and aggression release. No bag needed.
Cardio doesn't care about location. It only cares about effort, and both men gave everything.
The cool down begins. Stretching, the most neglected part of any workout. Foam rolling breaks up muscle tension. Recovery is where growth actually happens. Flexibility improves range of motion, reducing injury risk for the next session. Stretching after lifting preserves flexibility that heavy weights can reduce over time. The work is done, both bodies recovering, both minds at peace. Home workouts offer freedom. No schedule, no cost, no commute, just discipline. The gym offers tools, community, and structure, an environment built for one purpose. Both paths work, both bodies transformed. The best workout is the one you actually do. 80 scenes, 2 journeys, 1 truth. Consistency defeats perfection every single time.
It doesn't matter where you train. It matters that you train. Now go and start.